Hello, people on the internet. Here we see LR03 in Gosford Yard. I would like to say thank you for 403 subscribers on my YouTube channel. To all of you, thank you. LR03 is a replacement for the XBTs. But I'm saying again, thank you very much for 403. Onwards and upwards. Consider checking out the 403 subscriber special, Hunter Valley Steamfest. We go to a variety of locations, including Medford, Maitland itself, Newcastle, Ebbing and Hornsby. D53 and 27 on the 3:30 Central service. E144. Off to Newcastle they go. For D38.
For safety, please take extreme care. Surfaces may be slippery when wet.
Different angle of LR3. But as you can see, I'm not used to talking videos. So, I want to say again, thanks for all the subscribers. Please consider liking the video and subscribing again. Subscribing if you haven't. And help me get to my next goal of 500. We will get a few buses. In front of us is Red Bus CDC, New South Wales, number 10. Bus weighs 1054 and 38 to Wyoming. Bus weighs 1218. Bus weighs 1217. Very short. Carry. Secondary street number. Bus weighs 1029. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for 403 subscribers.